Say, in working capital management, after understanding problem number second, now problem number third. So, in this problem number third, they given the following information. The pro forma of cost sheet provides the following details. They give the element of cost per unit is given. You see question. Direct material 80 rupees, direct labor 30, overheads 60, total cost 170, and profit 30. You will get to a selling price or sales is 200. Apart from that, they give an adjustment. Raw material ought to be stocked on average for 1 month. Means raw material should be taken as 1 month. Means 4 weeks. We have to convert to week means. Next means raw material means what here? Inventory only. Next is material or in process. Process means work in progress. Process means the issue raw material, the raw material is going on progressing process. Work in process average for a half month. Half month means what? 2 weeks. So half month means 2 weeks. We have to convert. Finished goods of stock average 1 month. Again, we have to convert 4 weeks. Credit allowed to supplier means creditors is they given 1 month. Credit allowed to customers is 2 months. We are selling goods on credit to whom? To customers. They are allowing 2 months means for 8 weeks. And lag of payment in wages. If any wages is given, so 1.5 weeks. 1.5 weeks means 6 months. 1.5 weeks. They give 1.5 week. 1.5 means what? 0.5. No. 1.50. Okay. Then lag of payment overhead is 1 month means 4 weeks. 1/4 of the output is sold against cash. 1/4 is sold for cash. Then 3/4 is credit. 3/4 is credit. Sold to debtors. This is very important. We don't want cash. We want only 3/4 is credit. Sold to whom? When selling goods. 1/4 ratio is assumed to be 1:3. 1 plus 3, 1/4, and remaining is 3/4. So 1/4 already sold in cash, and 3/4 is we want for debtors. Calculation of debtors we have to convert. Then cash in hand is given 25,000. You are required to prepare statement showing working capital. Level of activities 1,04,000. They given 1,04,000. You have to take output or production. You may assume that production is carried eventually throughout the year. Wages overheads are accrued similarly means outstanding. Time period is 4 weeks is equivalent to 1 month. Here the 4 weeks is given. If the word week is given means you have to convert months into the months into weeks. So that's why we have to convert all the elements into weeks because weeks is given last from the end. If nothing is given means you have to take in the months only. Understood? Okay. So you are required to calculate the working capital requirement. Okay. First step. This is simply I wrote an instruction. First step you have to prepare the statement of cost sheet. Statement of cost sheet. Before preparing that, so elements of cost, then rupees. Elements of cost and rupees. First, you have to take the given as usual. You have to take raw material. So level of activity is 1,04,000. 1,04,000 into raw material cost per unit is how much given? Rupees 80. 1,04,000 into 80. 83,32,000. 83,32,000. 83,32,000. Sorry, 83,20,000, not 32. 83,20,000 raw material. Then direct labor. They given direct labor. So 1,04,000 is common units into labor cost is 30 rupees is given. So this into this 31 lakh 20,000, 31 lakh 20,000. Then overheads is given. Overheads means indirect expenses. Overheads 1 lakh 4,000 into overhead cost is 60 rupees. This into this 62 lakh 40,000. So add, you will get total cost. Total cost. Add all these, you will get 1 crore 76 lakh 80,000. 1 crore 76 lakh 80,000. Add profit. They have only given profit. So 1 lakh 4,000 into profit per unit is 30. 1 lakh 4,000 to 30. You will get 31 lakh 20,000. 31 lakh 20,000. So cost plus profit is called sales. Add these two, 2 crore 8 lakh. 2 crore 8 lakh. 2 crore 8 lakh. This is called sales. So this is cost sheet. Material, labor, overheads, total cost, add profit, sales. Now we have to prepare statement showing changes in working capital. Statement showing changes in working capital. Changes in working capital requirements. So particulars 1 rupees. Make it 2 column. And it see if A first you have to take current assets. Current assets. Current asset means what? First is inventory. Means under inventory raw material is inventory or stock. Next is work in progress. Under work in progress, for work in progress now what are required? Again raw material required, labor required, overhead required. After that finished goods. Again finished goods we required, again raw material, then labor, then overheads. For calculation of finished goods, work in progress you have to take 50% is common, I told. Now okay, I will explain this. First is current asset. They given first current is inventory. Inventory means stock. Inventory or stock of raw material. Stock of raw material. Under that raw material. Inventory means how many weeks is given? So inventory 1 month is given. Starting given. Raw materials are stock on average for 1 month. Stock, raw material but inventory are stock. 1 month. 1 month is converted equals 4 weeks. 4 weeks you have to convert. 1 month how many weeks? 4 weeks you have to convert. Okay. Raw material here how much here? 83 lakh 20,000. 83 lakh 20,000 into 4 divided by 52 means out of 52 weeks in a year we want only 4 weeks raw material. So inventory. So you will get 6 lakh 40,000. 6 lakh 40,000. This is called inventory of raw material or stock of raw material. Next second I told element is work in progress. Work in progress means issued raw material. The raw material is going on progress. They given work in process. Second point materials work in process on average for half a month. What month? Half month. Half month means what? 2 weeks. 1 month 4 weeks or means 2 weeks. Under that work in progress, under that you take again raw material. Raw material so much same 83 lakh 20,000 into 2 by 52 weeks means out of 52 weeks we want only 2 weeks. So you get 3 lakh 20,000. Raw material almost 3 lakh 20,000. So raw material over. Labor we have to take. See here labor cost 31 lakh 20,000 into again 2 common is it 2 by 52 into I told 50% in work in progress issue raw material. Still we didn't get finished goods. Issuing raw material. The assumed to be The raw material is completed 50% only. You have to take 50% labor and overheads. One more is there 50%. 31 lakh 20,000 into 5, 2 divided 52 into 50% you have to take. So 60,000. Labor 60. Next, overheads. Here overheads cost is how much? 62 lakh 40,000 into 2 by 52, again 2 weeks into 50%. Overheads also assumed to be every day 50%. So we'll get 1 lakh 20,000. 1 lakh 20,000. So these are comes under work in progress. Then third element in current asset is finished goods. Means we will get finished goods. There is work in progress. Here you see finished goods are stock average for 1 month. Average for 1 month. 1 month means 4 weeks. Converted to weeks. 4 weeks. 1 month how many weeks? 4 weeks. So finished goods 1 month or 4 weeks you have to convert. After that you have to take again raw material. Same. You have taken 3. Again take raw material required for finished goods. No. Then labor is required. Then overheads is required. See. Raw material same. 83 lakh 20,000. 83 lakh 20,000 into 4 by 52. Out of 52 weeks, 1 4. Then labor 31 lakh 20,000 into 4 by 52. Then overheads, overhead cost same 62 lakh 40,000 into 4 by 52. See, if finished goods getting finished output, no, we want raw material labor overheads. Don't take, no need to take 50%. Here 6 lakh 40,000 is, then this into this is 2 lakh 40,000, then 4 lakh 80,000. 4 lakh 80,000. This is called finished goods. Third element of current assets. Third component of current assets. Fourth component is debtors. Yes. Here debtors, they given 1/4 of goods sold for cash. We don't want cash. And 3/4, assume to be 3/4 is sold credits sold to whom? Debtors. 3/4 you have to take. So how to take, on what basis you have to take here? On cost. If nothing given means on cost you have to take. On cost means total cost. On total cost. See, this is not sales. On total cost. So how to calculate here? And what are time allowed to debtors here? They given 1/4 of the output was sold against cash. Okay, 1/4 sold cash. 3/4 we want credit to debtors. And how many months they give debtors? Credit allowed to customer. Debtors means what? If want customers. Credit allowed to customers. How many months? They given 2 months. Credit allowed to customers. How many months? Customers 2 months. See, months to be converted into weeks is 8 weeks. 8 weeks. See, I converted weeks. 1 month 4 weeks. 1 month 4 times 8 weeks. See, and for calculation of debtors, I told we have to take total cost, because nothing given. They will sometimes they will give allowed to customers so months. For the calculation of customers, you have to take sales they will give. But here nothing you have to take total cost. Total cost how much? 1 crore 76 lakh 80,000 into 3/4 was sold on credit. I told them sold on debtors or customers into 8 by 52 weeks. Out of 52 weeks, we want only 8 weeks. So you will get 20 lakh 40,000. 20 lakh 40,000. Understand? Data allowed to customers is given. They given 2 months means 8 weeks. But here extra adjustment is 1/4 sold for cash, 3/4 for sold or paid to customers. Data means customers. So ratio is this only. Then cash in hand they given. Fifth component is cash in hand. Cash in hand which is given in the question. What is given in the question? Cash in hand rupees 25,000. Rupees 25,000. This is called total A. Total current assets. Add all these all company inventory. What is our work in progress? Finished goods, debtors, cash. Total you will get 45,65,000. 45,65,000. Then we got current assets. Then current liabilities. Working capital means what? It shows difference between current assets and current liabilities. Continue here only. I don't have space now. I have to continue here only. See, next is B, current liabilities. Current liabilities, right? Full sentence current liabilities. And current liabilities take creditors. Take creditors. What they given about creditors? What we purchase from creditors? We purchase supply what? Raw material. Have to take raw material. And in the question they given credit allowed to supplier. Supplier. Raw material supply. What supplier? Raw material supplier means credit to supply raw material to us, our company, is allowed 1 month. How many month? 1 month. 1 month how many weeks? We have to convert into 4 weeks. 1 month equals 4 weeks. Now we have to take raw material. Raw material how much? 83 lakh 20,000 into 4 by 52. Out of 52 weeks you want 4 months. You will get this 6,40,000. This into this 6,40,000. Next current liabilities. Wages they given. Accrued wages they given in adjustment. See, lag payment of wages 1.5 weeks. Accrued wages are outstanding wages. Accrued wages, or another name is labor. Wages paid whom? Labor. How many weeks they given? Accrued wages is 1.5 weeks. 1.5 weeks. That is 1.5 weeks means 1.5. Take wages. Wages means, see, another name is what? Labor you have to take. Labor how much? 31,20,000. 31,20,000. Wages paid to whom? Laborers. Into 1.5 divided by 52. Out of 52 weeks we want 1.5 weeks this wages. So you get 90,000. Understood? Accrued wages. Accrued means outstanding wages. Or you can write wages outstanding. Or paid wage paid whom? Labor cost you have to take. 1.5 weeks. 1 month means 1.5. Labor cost whom? 31,20,1.5. Next, accrued overheads. Accrued overheads. Overhead means expenses. Overheads. See here, they given in the question. Lag of payment of overhead expenses 1 month. 1 month. 1 month means 4 weeks. Lag of payment of overheads 1 month. 1 month means 4 weeks. Now overheads cost you have to take. Overhead cost how much? In cost sheet 62,40,000. 62,40,000 into 4 by 52. Out of 52 weeks we want 4 weeks this. So 4,80,000. 4,80,000. That's all. No more adjustment. We should add. You will get total current liabilities. Total. Add all this. This plus this plus this you will get 12 lakh 10,000. 12 lakh 10,000. Now, working capital requirement. Working capital requirement equals A minus B, means current assets minus current liabilities. 45 lakh 65,000 minus 12 lakh 10,000, you will get 33 lakh 55,000. 33 lakh 55,000. Okay. So this is called how to calculate working capital requirement. If they will give 1/4 sold in credit or 3/4 sold in credit for cash, etc. So like this. After understanding this problem number 3,